How to cancel an order on Whatnot app? Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Whatnot, enter your login credential, and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Also, make sure that you are using the updated version. So once you have been logged into your account, now what you want to do is, at the bottom, you'll see the option where it says activity. You need to move into this option. So in this page, you will be able to see all the purchases that you have made on Whatnot app. Now if you want to cancel any of the product, you have to meet certain criteria. It means you have to make sure that the product has not been packed yet. And also if the product is up for delivery, then you will not be able to cancel it. So make sure that you cancel it before the delivering or packaging process. Simply move into the product that you want to cancel. At the bottom right corner, you'll see the option of cancellation. Click on it. Enter the reason why you want to cancel it and then tap on confirm. After that, the product that you have ordered will be cancelled successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.